Good morning, sunshine. How did you sleep last night?
I slept so well. Thank you. And you?
I slept well too, but I am a little tired. I went to bed very late yesterday.
I know. I heard you. Were you watching football again?
Yes, I am so sorry. I tried not to make noise. Are you angry with me?
No, no. Everything is fine. Who won yesterday?
Our team. 2-0. It was an incredible game.
Wow. Are you happy?
Very, very happy. It was the best match in such a long time.
Good. I am happy for you. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. A big cup. I need so much energy today.
Okay. Sit down. I will make coffee and breakfast.
Thank you so much, my dear. You are so caring. I do not know what I would do without you.
Ha 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 ha. Okay. Okay. What do you want for breakfast?
Eggs, please. With toast. And a little cheese if we have some.
Of course, we have some. I bought good cheese yesterday. Do you remember we were at the shop?
Yes, yes. And you spent so long choosing between two kinds of cheese. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, stop it. I just wanted to choose the best one.
I know, I know. You always choose the best. That is why everything at home is always so delicious.
Thank you. That is so nice to hear. Sit down. Breakfast is almost ready.
It smells so amazing. I absolutely love your eggs.
It is just eggs. Nothing special at all.
No, no. Your eggs are the most delicious eggs in the whole world. I am completely serious.
Ha 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 ha. You are so funny. Eat now. It will get cold.
I am eating. I am eating. Oh my goodness, this is so incredibly delicious.
By the way, what are your plans today?
Work in the morning, then a meeting with my colleagues. I will probably be back around 7.
Okay, I will be at home. I will cook something really delicious for dinner.
Really? What will be for dinner?
Pasta, your absolute favorite, with bolognese sauce.
Oh my goodness. You know exactly how to make me happy.
Of course I know. I am your wife. We have been together so many years.
Yes, and every single day I am so grateful for that. You are the best thing in my whole life.
Oh, you are so romantic in the morning. Ha 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 ha.
I am just telling the truth. Okay, I need to get ready for work now.
Wait, finish your coffee first.
Yes, yes. I will finish it now. What time is it?
Already 7:30.
Oh no! I am going to be late.
Do not panic. You have time. Leave in 15 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Everything was so delicious. Thank you so much.
You are welcome, my dear. Have a wonderful day.
You too have a wonderful day. I love you so much.
I love you too. Come back home soon.
Of course. Bye-bye. Here we are. At the shop. Did you forget the list at home again?
No, no. This time the list is on my phone. I wrote absolutely everything down.
What a miracle. Ha 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 ha. Do not laugh. I am really trying to be organized. I know, I know. Okay. What is first on the list?
Vegetables first. Let us go to the vegetable section.
Okay. What do we need from the vegetables?
Tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, carrots, and potatoes.
How many potatoes?
About 2 kilograms. I am making soup this week.
Oh, amazing. I absolutely love your soup.
I know, I know. Look at these beautiful tomatoes.
Yes. They look so incredibly fresh. Take these big ones over here.
Okay. And here are the cucumbers. Look how green and fresh they are.
Yeah, they look absolutely great. How many should we get?
About 8. That is enough for the whole week.
Okay. Got them. Now onions?
Yes, 2 big onions. Onions are always needed for everything.
Agreed. You simply cannot cook without onions. What is next?
Carrots. About 5 of them.
Okay. Here is some really good carrots. So fresh and juicy.
Perfect. Now potatoes.
Here are some really good ones. Look how big they are.
Yes. Let us take this bag. Exactly 2 kilograms.
Great. Vegetables are all done. Now fruit?
Yes. I really want apples.
What kind of apples do you want?
Green ones, sour ones. They are so much tastier.
I like red ones. They are so much sweeter.
Okay, let us take both. 1 kilogram of green and 1 kilogram of red.
Good idea. And bananas?
Yes, 1 bunch. This one looks really good.
Okay. Now, the dairy section,
We need milk, sour cream, butter, and cheese.
what cheese shall we get? Are you going to spend a very long time choosing again? Ha ha ha!
Oh, stop it. Last time I chose a really good cheese.
Yes, yes, well, you chose. But it took 40 whole minutes. Ha 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 ha!
That is not true at all. 20 minutes maximum.
Ha ha ha! Okay, okay. What cheese shall we get?
This hard cheese right here. It is perfect for pasta.
Okay. Got it. What else do we need?
Eggs? 10 eggs, please.
Got them. Is that everything?
Wait, we forgot the bread.
Oh no. Of course. White or brown?
Both, please. White for sandwiches, Brown for soup.
Okay, got both. Now, is that really everything?
Yes, that is everything. Let us go to the checkout,
Look at how much we got,
as always.
but at least we always have everything at home.
That is so true. Let us go. The checkout is over there.